Hey guys, welcome to your first step towards coding greatness with Python. I know, you're probably thinking, is this going to be too hard? Am I smart enough for this? But let me tell you something right now. Yes, you are. You can do this. And I'm here to show you why Python is the key that unlocks the door to endless possibilities. Think about it, writing AI, designing websites, creating games, or even making your computer do your bidding. Imagine your computer obeying your every command. Sounds crazy, right? But it's possible. And Python? It's the gateway to that world. You've heard of programming languages, right? C, C++, Java. Well, guess what? Python is different. Python is for beginners, for dreamers, for people who think they can't code until they try. I get it, okay? I've been there. The first time I looked at a piece of code, I felt like I was drowning in a sea of strange symbols. But here's the secret. Python is like English. Simple. Easy. It's like you're talking to your computer in your own language. Now let's have a bit of fun. Imagine you want to add two numbers. You don't just say, hey computer, add these numbers. No, you've got to speak in Python. You write a line of code like this. And boom, the computer obeys, just like that. You see, that's the magic of Python. You tell the computer what you want, and it does it. But let me tell you something. Programming isn't just about writing code. It's about creating. It's about turning your ideas into reality. You want to make a robot that obeys your voice? That's possible with Python. You want to make a program that does math for you, organizes your life, or even plays music? You can do it with Python. I've been there, struggling, feeling like I wasn't good enough, but I kept going. And now, I've got the power of Python in my hands. And guess what? You will too. Let's talk about the magic of Python. Python is open source, meaning it's free, it's easy to understand, and it has a ton of libraries to help you build amazing things. Machine learning, Python's got libraries. AI, Python's got it. Web development, yep, Python too. It's high level, which means it's simple and translates directly to machine language, so you're speaking straight to your computer. Okay, let's install Python right now. Ready? It's so simple. Follow these steps and you're in. Download Python, install it, make sure to add it to your path. Then grab Visual Studio Code. You don't need a fancy computer or any special skills to get this running. Just follow along, and soon enough, you'll be coding like a pro. You can do this. I believe in you. All you need is that first step. And today you're taking it. Get ready for a journey. This is where your coding adventure begins. And I promise, when you write your first line of code, it's going to feel like you've just unlocked a superpower. So get that Python installed, get Visual Studio Code ready, and in the next chapter, we're diving straight into writing your first Python program. Are you ready? Let's go! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll code our first Python program together.